Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best DDR4 32GB RAM is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make to your computer for enhanced performance. Whether you're a gamer, a video editor, or a multitasking enthusiast, having sufficient RAM can significantly impact your system's responsiveness and overall speed. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of DDR4 32GB RAM, exploring its benefits and helping you choose the perfect module for your needs. Number 5. Crucial 32GB DDR4 3200MHz Laptop Memory Kit. Tired of slow loading times and sluggish performance? This 32GB DDR4 RAM kit is designed to boost your laptop's speed and responsiveness. It will make multitasking a breeze. Operating at 3200 MHz, this memory kit ensures your applications run smoothly. It can also downclock to 2933 MHz and 2666 MHz for compatibility. This allows the system to handle demanding tasks with ease. Installing this RAM is simple, even if you're not a tech expert. Crucial provides step-by-step guides to help you through the process. You can upgrade your laptop's memory without any hassle. Worried about compatibility? Use the Crucial System Scanner or Upgrade Selector to find the perfect match for your laptop. This ensures that it works seamlessly with your device. Built with Micron's 42 years of memory expertise, this DDR4 RAM delivers top performance and reliability. It's rigorously tested to ensure it meets the highest standards. You can trust it to perform. This is non-ECC, SODIMM form factor, 260-pin, PC4-25600 speed, 1.2V voltage, and 1 RX8 or 2 RX8 configuration. It's designed to fit perfectly in your laptop. What we like. This crucial DDR4 RAM is designed specifically for laptops, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. It boosts system performance, making multitasking a breeze. If you're looking to upgrade your laptop's memory without any hassle, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Recognized immediately at 3200 MHz, stable under stress tests, and downclocks properly on systems limited to 2933-2666 MHz. Noticeable improvement in multitasking and large spreadsheets. The system recognized the new RAM immediately, no BIOS adjustments needed. Number 4. CORSAIR Vengeance LPX DDR4 32GB 2x16GB RAM. This memory uses hand-sorted chips, ensuring high performance. It also provides generous overclocking headroom, allowing you to push it further. This product is optimized for wide compatibility. It works seamlessly with the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. With a low-profile height of just 34mm, it fits in most builds. Even in small form-factor systems, it can be easily installed. The high-performance PCB guarantees strong signal quality. This ensures stability, giving you superior overclocking ability. It features a solid aluminum heat spreader. This efficiently dissipates heat, allowing it to consistently run at high clock speeds. What we like. The CORSAIR Vengeance LPX features hand-sorted memory chips for high performance and overclocking headroom. Its low-profile design ensures it fits in most builds, even small form-factor ones. If you are building a compact PC or want to maximize performance without compatibility issues, this RAM is an excellent choice. What people say. The modules fit perfectly into my motherboard slots, and the black heat spreaders added a touch of elegance to my setup. The CORSAIR Vengeance LPX 32GB DDR4 breathed new life into my PC, enhancing its overall performance and responsiveness. Games that used to stutter and lag now ran seamlessly, and multitasking became a breeze. The 3200 MHz clock speed provided lightning-fast data transfer, and the low latency ensured smooth operations even during the most demanding tasks. Number 3. CORSAIR Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 32GB Desktop Memory. This memory module features 10 ultra-bright RGB LEDs per module. You can take control of the lighting effects using the CORSAIR ICUE software. Synchronize the lighting with other CORSAIR RGB products. This includes CPU coolers, keyboards, and fans, creating a unified aesthetic. The custom performance PCB provides the highest signal quality. This ensures the greatest level of performance and stability for your system. The ICs are carefully screened for extended overclocking potential. This allows for greater performance customization. It is optimized for peak performance on the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. This ensures it delivers the best possible performance. What we like. This Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro offers dynamic multi-zone RGB lighting, allowing you to customize your system's aesthetics. It also features a custom performance PCB for the highest signal quality. If you like to customize your PC with vibrant RGB lighting and demand top-tier performance, it will be a perfect choice. What people say. Installed the RAM and it worked perfectly. The RAM sticks were recognized immediately and have been running flawlessly. The design of the RAM is sleek and modern. Number 2. G.SKILL Trident Z RGB DDR4 32GB 2x16GB RAM. This is the G.SKILL Trident Z RGB series DDR4 memory kit. It's designed for desktop PCs and gaming. This memory kit offers high performance and stunning aesthetics. The kit includes two 16GB modules, totaling 32GB of memory. It's perfect for handling demanding applications and games. This provides ample capacity for multitasking and resource-intensive tasks. It's rated for DDR4-3600 with CL18 timings. This ensures fast data transfer rates and responsiveness. This will significantly improve your system's overall performance. It supports Intel XMP for easy overclocking and also includes a JEDEC default profile. You can easily optimize its performance. This allows for a plug-and-play experience. Do not mix memory kits for optimal performance and stability. Refer to the G.SKILL website for validated hardware. Using it outside of specifications may cause issues. What we like. The G.SKILL Trident Z RGB series offers high-speed memory with an Intel XMP profile for easy overclocking. It also comes with a stylish design. If you are a gamer or content creator who needs fast and reliable memory with a touch of style, this is the one for you. What people say. Installation was straightforward, and it runs perfectly at the advertised 3,200 metric tons S with XMP enabled. Performance in gaming, multitasking, and heavy workloads is incredibly smooth, and the RGB lighting adds a stylish touch to my build. Installation was a breeze, and performance in gaming and multitasking is flawless. Number 1. G.SKILL RipjawsV 32GB 2x16GB DDR4 3200 metric tons S. This is a 32GB memory kit from G.SKILL's RipjawsV series. It includes two 16GB modules, designed for desktop PCs and gaming. It offers a great performance boost for your system. The memory operates at DDR4-3200 with timings of CL16-18-18-38. It runs at 1.35V, ensuring efficient performance. This allows the system to handle demanding tasks. It supports Intel XMP for easy overclocking and includes a JEDEC default profile. This allows for simple setup and optimal performance. You can easily configure it to match your needs. Do not mix memory kits for stability. Always use matched kits. Refer to G.SKILL's website for compatibility information to ensure optimal performance and avoid issues. Using the memory outside of manufacturer specifications may cause instability or damage. Always adhere to the recommended settings. This will ensure the longevity and proper function of the memory. What we like. The G.SKILL RipjawsV series provides high-speed memory with an Intel XMP profile for easy setup. It's designed for reliable performance. If you are looking for a balance of speed and stability for your desktop, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to install, works perfectly. Works perfectly in my first computer build. I went with a simple black sleek design and it looks nice in my build. It was easy to install. I did have a just BIOS for it to run at rated megahertz. Super fast, easy to install, and the 32GB capacity gives my PC plenty of headroom for gaming and multitasking. My system picked it up right away with no issues and everything runs noticeably smoother. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.